As of 2012, there were 11 million illegal immigrants in the United States. 360,000 of them live in the state of Arizona. On April 23, 2010, Governor Jane Brewer passed Arizona's SB 1070. Also known as Support of Law Enforcement and Safe Neighborhoods Act, Arizona's SB 1070 gives local and state authorities the right to ask anyone who is arrested their immigration status. It also gives them the right to arrest anyone if they have reasonable suspicion that person is illegal. This law makes it a crime for an illegal immigrant to solicitate work. This law was supposed to go into effect on July 29, 2010, but on July 28, the U.S. Department of Justice filed a lawsuit asking for an injunction, stating that the law went against the Constitution. On February 2011, Governor Jane Brewer filed a countersuit against the federal government. This led to the Supreme Court case Arizona versus the United States. The Supreme Court argued the case on April 25, 2012, and made a decision on June 25, 2012. The court case resulted in a 5-3 ruling. The Supreme Court struck down 3 out of 4 provisions. The 3 provisions that were struck down were allowing police officers to arrest immigrants without a probable cause, making it a crime for people who do not carry government-issued IDs, making it a crime to solicitate work. The court did upheld one key provision, letting state authorities check immigration status if reasonable suspicion exists, only while enforcing other laws. After the Supreme Court decision, Governor Jane Brewer stated that, quote, "the heart of the law remains," and that they will continue to fight. From this case, I learned that the judicial system works better as an independent branch because it needs to be free of influences and opinions in order for the system to be fair. Arizona's SB 1070 is a very controversial law that a minimal amount of influence would have made the ruling of the law very different. I would have to agree with Alexander Hamilton that the judiciary system is the least dangerous branch because it is free of influence and because there are many different points of view in the Supreme Court that makes the rulings fair and impartial.